After long deliberations, nagging and convincing, I'm finally painting my own kitchen. I have an excellent team that's assisting. Dieter from Hip Projects is busy to add some natural wood elements, changing light fittings. And then the Tjhoko team, Suzuki and Elias, is helping me to paint the cupboards and transforming the space from very modern to more me. So I'm adding more colors to the space, Comforts Blue David and Vinya Stone, and slowly but surely this space is being transformed. Stay with us and just see how it happens. Now with Tjhoko, the great advantage is you don't need to sand, you don't need to prime, but you do need to clean your surfaces properly using lacquer thinners. My walls are painted with a PVA. It won't be necessary to prepare my wall surfaces, but the Melamine kitchen cupboard doors I will have to clean well with lacquer thinners. So we are painting a kitchen. We're busy planning the room makeover winner space and painting of a client's furniture and kitchen. So 2 little hours in a day, but we are just gee hom gas. We gee hom gas. That's what we do. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tjhoko Paint.